Well, here's another one. We're gonna do a lesson in dovetails. Hello, hello. So I'm cutting my first ones for out at that lake job. Um, here's a. I got the old ones out yesterday. Yeah, quite decay. And let's just put foam in, that'll fix it. Yeah. So, I'm doing these just by measurement right now, and I may make some patterns. So I'm gonna go hunt for my old jigs, but El Baco de Flasho, right? I haven't done this in like 20 years. So this top dovetail, this is a half dovetail. It's not a full dovetail, so it's only a 15-degree angle. And so the outboard, the slope outside, this is the outside of the building. So water hits this, comes off. So the next one comes in, and that's where this bottom now is just two flats, but it's the 15 degrees that just notches itself into here. And so I cut this with the skill saw, popped out the pieces, because I can only do, end cut, this coming in, and it's just a dimensions here, 2.5 inch and a quarter. Then you gotta come in and clean it up. You gotta inspect it, make sure it's 15 degrees. So you make a nice little 15-degree jig on a miter saw. That sits there, and then I always work from the inside of the building because that's always the reference of the levels, and there's anomalies that occur within the timbers since I can't be making cabinet grade timbers yet. So here we go this way. So you just, this gets lined up so you can see wherever there's a little bit. So I'm just a little bit high on this side, and then you got to be square to it too. And you come across, make sure all these points are there, and then you see the top side. So what we do there is we take the pencil and we rub it on our square a little bit, and then we do this, and it shows up all the high spots. See, and you want a nice, pretty even where it's touching all over. So that's how you do the top side. And now I'm on to the underside, and this is getting cut with sorry for that, the Prezi beam cutter, right? Chainsaw, big thick, because it's just 2 square cuts in 15 degrees this way. But you see, I'm not there with my lines, and then that's where you come in with this guy again. And now there's a you look down on it, holding this to the inside face, and then you start pulling it, and you can see, so it's tapered, right? Big time. This side is high, and it is according to my line. It's bad. The other side's not so bad. So we got to start taking this off. Oh my gosh, this is my favorite tool. Slick. It's heavy. There's probably 10 pounds of steel in it, and you keep a nice edge to it, and it just, so this is kind of down grain, right? I'm coming down in, so it's a different cut. Of course, this end grain is the worst to try to correct. But you just take some nice curls. I'm still high on this side, so it's just a matter of playing. See that down there is not bad. This is still high. And then a nice little hand plane. This'll show up where all the little anomalies are. Picking up the high spots. And we do this again. Give me a look. So you see that it's rubbing in the center here. We don't want that because now it's going to rock. So you just keep whittling away. I hope to go put timbers in today. These two. I get my corner. I got to fire up the sawmill and make a half log, plane it up. Okay. I guess that's end for the lesson. Bye.